Hi there everyone. In today's video, we are going to share with you the DeWALT bit accessory kit that everyone should own. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, Vince, you picked up this security bit kit because you're a commercial retail contractor. You service your clients. You work on all types of fixtures and partitions and gondolas and all kind of stuff that's out in public that uses security bits. And this is true, I do. But here's the thing, as a homeowner, I know that you all have encountered screws and fasteners that look similar to their ordinary counterparts, but they're not. They're security bits. They're security fasteners. So you can't get your prying hands into something, but you need to. We're gonna solve this whole problem for you. You need this kit, promise. I promise you. You're gonna wanna stay tuned until right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to the merch store where you can get the security bits system. Psych, you can't get it there. Well, I'll tell you where you can get it. You can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers now. Okay, welcome back. My name is Vince, and if this is your first time here, welcome to you especially. Here's the thing. I literally needed another one of these sets. I needed the security driver bits in here. We have some partition work to do. This is a 31-piece security bit set. It does have a magnetic drive. This is product number DWAX200. It's the DeWAX 200. It's not, this is a step up from the DeWAX 100. This is in a really nice case from DeWALT. I love what they do. Okay, everything is easily accessible. We have a nice clear lid here. So when you're digging through your tech bag, you're not like, oh, where's my security bits? I can't see them. I have an older set of DeWAX bits, or security bits, and they literally just came on a piece of cardboard. I try to keep them in their piece of plastic. I've been letting this piece of plastic hang on for dear life. Every time I use it, I try to pop them back in here, and then I throw this in my toolbox or put it on the shelf, and then they come out inevitably. Things go missing. I was missing one of these bits for a minute. One of my guys stole it and then brought it back to me. They tried to deceive me. They tried to put a standard Torx bit in here, not security. But I'm whole again. God, I'm whole again. I have all my bits. But you can see how this is a problem. This bit system solves that problem, all right? And the best part is, I really bought this mainly for the security Torx, but there are other driver bits for partitions, for fixturing, like this one here, the one-way drive. Anybody work in a commercial bathroom? You had to put up privacy partitions? Yes, these are the screws. These are the driver bits. They're literally for one-way fasteners. These Torx bits here, they have a little hole in the center. It looks like a standard Torx bit, but it's not. You'll see these DeWALT FlexVolt batteries, the 20-volt max batteries, even whoa, they cheaped out on the 12-volt batteries. These actually do not use security bits. But the 20-volt max and FlexVolt batteries, you will see that little post inside that Torx screw. These are security Torx. They do not want you prying these open. So these actually are Torx Security TS10s. Look how great that works. I will let you know, if you tried to use a standard Torx bit to remove these screws, you wouldn't strip out your fastener because you wouldn't be able to get your drive bit into your fastener because of the post. We removed the cover on our FlexVolt battery. Once you own a set like this, you will start to realize how many security screws are actually installed on everyday items because manufacturers don't want you getting your filthy little hands into their proprietary systems. Actually, that's not the reason. They just don't want you getting in here and messing stuff up like I'm about to do. Here's the best part about this security bit system and the reason why you're going to want to have it. Because it's inexpensive. It's good insurance that if you bump into one of these security screws, like let's just say you're trying to change out a smoke detector or backup lighting or a security camera. A lot of that type of equipment use security screws. You want to have these as a service tech. Even a homeowner that's trying to install some of these things in your house, this will be invaluable. And at around 20 bucks, it's good insurance to keep you chugging away to get your job done. And once we get those security screws out, this thing will easily come apart. There's another security feature in here. You have to press and then pull. Press and pull. Which I'm not gonna bore you with. Literally, this is a work of art, okay? And sometimes beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these end caps back on. We're going to put our security screws back in, because sometimes things that are left to the imagination are more attractive. Like really, somebody told me one time when we were working in their house that they were going to leave. It was on a Saturday, and here's the deal. We were installing a whole bunch of windows and fascia. And they told us that, hey, Vince, we're going to go out for a while. I'm like, okay, we have something important to do. They told me, no, they just wanted to get out of the house because they didn't want to see how the sausage was made. And I feel like not seeing the sausage inside this DeWALT battery, but you'll like the idea of being able to get into it now if you want to, or the idea of taking down a privacy partition inside of a bathroom for some reason. I don't know why you'd want to do that if you're not a contractor like me, but maybe you have your reasons. If you like all that, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. Helps out the channel immensely. Plus, you get 7 years of good luck. So when you're using this security screw system, okay, maybe that good luck will help you from getting locked up if you're doing something you're not supposed to. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. If you're not locked up in the can, we'll see you on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.